Hey y'all, this is All of Destiny. In this video, I'll be sharing with you all how I got this sleek, super long ponytail. This video is sponsored by AliPearl hair. They sent me their 24-inch, 26-inch, and 2 of their 28-inch deep wave bundles, and also a 20-inch deep wave closure. So this is what the hair looks like straight out of the package. I did shampoo and condition both of the 28-inch bundles, which will be used in this video, prior to doing the ponytail. I threw my hair into a halfway decent ponytail and put a hat on just so I could go running. I'm trying to get to where I can do 1.5 miles in 15 minutes, but I did it in like 17:38. So let's do some hair. I wish my hair was freshly washed for this, but I've already been wearing this ponytail and I have already washed the bundles that I'm going to use, which gives the bundles time to pretty much dry or just not be so wet when we get ready to wrap them. Finally got some Eco, guys. So this is the Eco that my sister usually uses, or she just uses Eco, period. When I have been trying to wear my slick back curly puff, if you all follow me on Instagram, then you've been seeing that that's the hairstyle I've been wearing a lot. And when I do it with the softy, it's just a little more crunchy. And I would ask my sister, I'm like, why is my hair, like, once it dries, it'll be crunchy. But since I've been using this, I see why she likes it so much now. So it's definitely a difference. But let's go ahead and work the hair up. I'm just going to be dampening this brush as I do it. I do have a video on how I do my slick back. This may not be as detailed as that. If y'all want to check that one out, I'll definitely put it in the description box and in the cards. If you didn't see that video, to get my hair into a ponytail, I do it in sections because it's easier for me to work with my hair and get it nice and sleek versus trying to work with my hair all at once. I'm also just going to take some of this Africa's Best oil and work that in along with the gel so that my hair has a nice sheen to it. Since my hair has already been slicked back, I'm not putting as much gel. I'm more so just dampening my hair with this brush to slick it back because it already had product in my hair already. So by just wetting my brush, I kind of just reactivate it. Continuing to slick my hair back in sections. As I get closer to the front, I'm going to decide where I would like to position my part using a rat tail comb. To do that, applying some Eco Styler gel to both sides and then redefining my part. So I need that part to be like, ooh, so on point. And you can position your part wherever you would like, to the left, to the right, no part at all. But since I was wearing my own hair slick back with the part to the left, I wanted to switch things up. Look at that, I broke the brush. My sister, she sneak and used my brush. I saw it in her video. So I'm blaming her for the final breaking of my dimming brush. Man. This rubber band on here. So just running my hands under the water just to kind of slick my hair back further. And now I'm going to go ahead and lay and slay my edges. I finally ordered some more of Lovely Brianna's edge control. This is the only edge control I use besides Ebay New York, so y'all know it's bomb. I'll have a link in my description box down below where you all can purchase that if you're interested. And I do have an updated how I lay and slay my edges video on my channel. That will be linked in my description box for you all below to check that out. I'm using the Red by Kids double-ended brush and comb. I like to use the comb side to kind of sleek my hair and comb it into place, and then I alternate between using the brush side. I can't really explain it. I just alternate between the two to lay and slay my edges because your hairstyle is not complete if your edges are not on fleek. Trying to decide if I like my swoops to come in this way or go back that way. I don't know. They look different. My swoops. After laying my edges, I went back in and touched up my ponytail further. I don't know, I just felt that it wasn't tight anymore, and then touching up the back as well because we want everything to be nice and sleek. Touching up my edges further because I'm a perfectionist and kind of picky. So now I'm just going to go ahead and tie that down using this hair scarf that I got from betterlength.com. Now I'm going to plait up my hair, and I'm just going to apply a little rubber band to the end to secure it. I wanted to wait until these were fully dry, but I kind of don't have the time for that. I'm just going to go ahead and wrap them and allow them to dry while it's on my head and remove the scarf. Originally when I wore it, I only wore one bundle, but I went ahead and washed the other bundle. Both of these are 28 inches. So when I put a little scrunchie on it so that I could wash it as a bundle instead of open tracks. Okay. I want to try to wrap them differently from the first time that I wore this. I'm going to use a hairpin and start at the bottom of my ponytail. Put it in like so. Okay, that's not gonna work. Okay then, where did the hairpin go? Never mind. I just heard the hairpin. There it is. What I want to do is start at the bottom of my ponytail, because the first time I kind of just put it right here and wrap the whole thing around. But since I'm trying to do 2 tracks or 2 full bundles to fit them in, I want to put this on here and attempt somehow. It keeps slipping. Ugh. I watched so many YouTube videos on this. Why can't I do it? Everybody else got their cute ponytails except me. Come on, Destiny. Okay, I can't do that. I'm just gonna figure something out. I'm gonna take the end of this. I'm gonna wrap this around this base part. Ooh, there's a lot of hair. I'm basically just gonna keep going up with it. Okay, so now I'm closer towards the top part of the ponytail, but I'm gonna keep doing the same thing and just keep wrapping it now right here over my scrunchie. Okay, wait. Why is it? Y'all see that? Something isn't right. Oh. Okay, so it's not secure at the bottom of my ponytail, which was causing it to fall. Hey, try this again. I should just do it the way I did it the very first time. I didn't start at the end of my ponytail. Let's do that. We're not trying nothing new on camera. I'm gonna take my ponytail.
So I wanted to leave in those failed attempts just in case, you know, if you all want to try it a different way. I wanted you all to see how that works for me. Plus, I never like for you all to assume that I don't kind of get things wrong when I'm trying to do my hair sometimes. So the method that you're seeing right now is the method I used in my try on clothing haul, where you all requested to see this ponytail tutorial. So I take a piece from the end of the track and I use that to secure it onto my ponytail. So now it's not going to go anywhere. After that, I'm wrapping the remainder of these tracks basically around the base part of my own ponytail near the rubber band. And I'm not like trying to travel up the hair or anything. I'm just wrapping all of these as securely as I can together. I really could have left my ponytail down now that I'm looking at it, because I feel like the way I rubber band it, it made it look much thicker. But once it dries, and since I'm going to use two of the bundles, you won't really be able to notice either way. So it's definitely up to you. I've seen some people leave their hair like unplaited, so just kind of play around with it, tweak it, and find out what works best for you doing this hairstyle.
Got the first one wrapped. Now we have to add the second one. My camera is about to die, so I may have to wait because I don't want it to cut off in the middle of me wrapping this and then you all miss it. I'm going to keep going until it stops on me. This is how I had it at first, just one bundle, and it looked fuller because it was dry. I haven't brushed it out or anything, just so you know, and I like it. It's really long, an extra ponytail. But we're going to do 2 bundles this time.
So since I had only worn one bundle the first time, I have to go ahead and open up the second bundle. But I didn't realize that the camera did end up dying on me, so I kind of ended up unraveling it before I noticed. But you just kind of take your time to keep the hair from getting tangled. So I'm going to go ahead and remove that hairpin that we had applied. Since we're about to put another track on top, we kind of don't need that one. Or you can leave it in if you would like for that extra security. I'm going to take the end of the bundles, and I'm also keeping the bundle together. You know how when you unwrap it, but you have to like undo it after that? I'm keeping mine doubled up because it's kind of the same thing, and we won't have to keep going around and around and around with so much hair. So I'm taking the end of that, using that to wrap around. This kind of holds the track onto the hair. So after that, I'm holding the hair as close as I can to the track, and you basically just pass it from hand to hand to get it to wrap around the base of your ponytail. Once I get to the end of that, I'm going to take a good enough amount, taking some of the softy gel because I want this to be nice and sleek, and we're going to use a thick amount of this to basically just make everything look a little more put together. And I'm also dampening my hands under the sink, as well as dipping my hands into the Eco Styler Gel to sleek everything out. And secure that with a bobby pin, and voila, super quick and easy.
Okay, I'm definitely feeling this much more than when I only used one bundle. In my try-on clothing haul, this was the hairstyle I had, but I only had one bundle in. While the hair is still sort of damp, and apply some product. That way it can dry with the product in it versus me allowing it to dry and then attempting to style it. And as this dries, it will get more nice and fluffy. So I'm just applying some Eco, the same one that I've been using the entire time on my hair. I'm just going to apply a little bit of that to the hair and detangle it as well. That way when it does dry, it doesn't dry tangled up. Comb that through. This is a lot of hair. This is 28 inches, which I'm feeling because it's so extra. We like extra. Extra is good. Just starting from the bottom, working my way up, and the hair is beginning to dry, which is good. I'm glad I didn't have to dye these bundles. They kind of match my own hair as far as the color really well. And y'all can see how I'm kind of combing it so it's not gonna just fall out. I know when you probably watch videos, it looks like that could just slip off, but it's not. We good. And again, as this dries too, it'll begin to kind of cover up ponytail some more. I'm recording! I just wanted to say that. I didn't just want to say it, someone did knock on the door. Let's give this video a thumbs up, by the way, for me filming in my restroom, because my other hair tutorial that I had done in here did really well when I did just the slick back using my own hair. And that's where I kind of got the idea, because y'all were like, oh, you should use extensions with your ponytail. And I was like, I should. So, same slick back, but with bundles. Girl! Alright, so we're gonna let it dry some, and I'll come back and show you all what it looks like. Okay guys, so it's actually the next day and I did tie up my hair just a little bit. I had to retouch up my edges, and then I just take like some jam or some more of the Eco Styler and really just dampen my hands and just rub everything into place. And the ponytail did hold up. I'm expecting this hairstyle to last me at least 3 to 4 days before I'm kind of ready to just take it down and move on to something else. Yeah, I like this. This is different from just like my usual type of hairstyles, and I've been getting so many compliments on this. I like it more with the 2 bundles than one. That also helps to cover up this ponytail portion at the top, but I don't want to do too much talking, so special thank you to AliPearl for sponsoring this video, sending me this hair to try out for you all. Let me know if y'all want me to maybe make it into a wig later on, show you all how to do like a lace closure wig again, because I haven't done one of those on my channel in a really long time. Honestly, I just haven't had the time to make a wig. Why are you filming with your necklace backwards? And not only that, when y'all kind of gave me the idea to get a ponytail, since I've been rocking ponytails, it's like, why not make like a long extended one? And I was like, you're right. So this curly hair came perfectly in time for that. You could definitely do this with straight hair too. So all of AliPearl's information will be in my description box down below. Questions and comments, be sure to leave all of that down below as well. If you like this video, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up. That way I will know. Don't forget to subscribe. Definitely click the like button, turn on your post notifications. That way you'll get notification every time I upload a video here on my channel, and you will not miss it. Notification gang. You need to be a part of the notification gang. Check out more videos. If you're watching this video on time, it's probably not up yet, but when that video is ready, that card should pop up right here for you all to check out this makeup tutorial. It kind of letting you in a little bit, bringing you in. It just kind of go stalk my channel and find yourself something good to watch. If you click on the circle with my face on it, you can subscribe to my channel because you're still here. You should do so. And as always, I thank you all so much for watching. Bye guys.